Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to dash in Blox Fruits on PlayStation Roblox PS4/PS5. Okay, first things first, open the Blox Fruit game on your PS4 or PS5, then use the trackpad to make the same selection, and use also the trackpad for movement controls. You can double click or double flick the left sticks upwards. When you have executed it correctly, your character should dash if you have sufficient energy. So, to have to take note when dashing is to just flick and to have sufficient energy. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now dash in Blox Fruits on PlayStation Roblox, PS4 or PS5. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling!